Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So, I am again here with the next chapter from our English language. So, students, the next chapter is chapter 3 Questions. Some sentences are used to ask questions. These sentences begins with a capital letter and end with a sign, the question mark. Children, as sentences also begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. But when the sentences which are used to ask questions, they also begins with a capital letter and end with a question mark. This mark is the main difference between the two types of sentences, the simple sentence or the sentences which are used to ask questions. These sentences begin with question words like who, what, why, where, when, which, why, etc. When you will notice that the way we ask question is different from the way we state something. We state something means when we say something in a simple sentence. We change the tone of our voice when we are asking something. So, when we are asking something or when we are saying the sentences of the questions, our tone of saying that sentences also changes. As I've told you, the words who, what, why, where, when, which, etc. are used to ask questions. Let's see these words one by one. First one is who. Who is used to ask about people. For example, who is going to school? So the answer will be the girl or the boy. The second is where. Where is used to ask about places. For example, where does the fish swim? So the answer will be in water. Next is how. How is used to ask about descriptions or manner of doing something. For example, how will you go home? So the answer will be by car or by cycle. The next is what. What is used to ask about objects. For example, what are you going to buy? So the answer will be toys. When is used to ask about time. When do you eat dinner? So the answer will be at night. The next is why. Why is used to ask about reasons. For example, why are you eating food? So the answer will be because I am hungry. Children, listen it very carefully that to make questions we often put the verb. Verb are the doing words. We used to keep that verb before the subject and this is called inversion. This you will study in your next class. Children, look at these sentences. This is a simple sentence. You are hungry. This sentence is starting with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. And when you will change this sentence in a question, it will be like this. Are you hungry? See, this sentence is also starting with a capital letter, but it is ending with a question mark. Here is the next simple sentence. She is late. So, in question, it will be like this. Why is she late? The next is the shop is closed. In question, it will be like this. Is the shop closed? Simple sentence. I bought a new dress. And in question, it will be like this. Did you buy a new dress? In simple sentence, I am in class 2. And in question, it will be like this. Which class are you in? So, here in these simple sentences, what do you notice? That all these sentences are beginning with a capital letter and ending with a sign of full stop. But here in these sentences which are asking the questions, these are also starting with a capital letter, but they are ending with a sign of question mark. Here in this exercise, you have to just tick the sentences which are used to ask questions. First one is, I am hungry. No. You will put the cross mark. Next, am I hungry? Yes, because it is ending with a question sign. So you will put the right tick here. Are you busy? Yes, it is a question. You will put a right tick. You are busy, ending with a full stop. So you will put a cross mark. Next is, my socks are missing. So this is again a wrong sentence. Who has taken my socks? Ending with a question mark, starting with a word who and starting with a capital letter. So it is a right sentence. I love to listen to fairy tales. Again, this is a wrong sentence. Do you like to listen to fairy tales? Yes, this is a right sentence. Today is a holiday. So, it is again a wrong sentence. Is it a holiday today? Yes, because it is ending with a question mark. So, you will put a right sign. Look at this exercise, children. Here, what you have to do? You have to rewrite these sentences. What you have to do? You have to just start these sentences again. Start with a capital letter and end with a question mark or a full stop sign whenever it is needed. So the next exercise is complete each of these sentences and end with a question mark. Where are we going? Who has seen my pen? What is your name? When do you go to park? How do you do your homework? These all sentences are ending with a question sign. So, what you have learned that how to make each sentence in a question. What you have to do, you have to start the sentence with a capital letter and end that sentence with a question mark. And there you have to use the words, for example, why, when, what, where, etc. So this is your work for today. Learn it and do it carefully in your notebook, the assignment that I have given to you. Thank you so much.